Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Skillshare teacher account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a lesson from your Skillshare class? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to delete a lesson from your class in Skillshare anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing courses, you know that sometimes the information is outdated or no longer relevant. So sometimes it's better to go ahead and delete that particular lesson. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Skillshare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Skillshare account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and remove a lesson from one of your classes, here on the left side, you're going to click on this play button. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on classes you're teaching. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the classes you're teaching, and in order to remove a lesson from one of these, choose the class you want to remove the lesson from. So for example, this one. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left. Make sure you've clicked on video lessons. Once you've clicked there, you're going to see all the lessons that you have for that particular class. You can see I just have this one right here. And in order to delete a lesson, off to the right of it, you're going to see a trash can. Go ahead and click there. Next, you're going to get this pop-up and ask, are you sure you want to delete this lesson? If so, click on yes, delete this lesson. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using that video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a lesson from your Skillshare class, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.